All right, now that our mushrooms have broken down, we'll go ahead and just lightly dust the top of this with black pepper. And then we're going to add a tablespoon of soy sauce. We're going to take our scallions, because it's in both of our meals. So we're going to go ahead and cut this up for our garnish. And then we're going to take our partially cooked shrimp, and we're going to throw them in here with our rice, give them a stir, and then cover. So we want to make sure that you don't have the heat too high on these vegetables. You may want to physically lift it off the burner to keep the soy sauce from burning up. And if the heat was too high, then just go ahead and add another half a tablespoon or so.